everybody, welcome to my channel, Pamela's Creations, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a little bit of a haul. The church in town was having a crafting sale, and I stopped in there and grabbed a bunch of good deals on like a die machine, stamps, dies, a little bit of yarn, and some punches. And some ribbon. So I'm really excited to show you guys. This whole pad was $5. Not just this. We're gonna quickly go through it. So we'll go quickly through it. So, and that wasn't part of the $5. It's 6x6 Echo Park. It came with this 48 sheets of color paper, two-sided. So I grabbed that, bunch of colors, and it's by DWCV. I think that is Michael's. And it also came with this, double-sided. Super cute paper. So that whole thing was $5. This was also $5. It's just card stock. And it comes with multiple papers, all different kinds, as you can see. And it says hip hip hooray. So they have different birthday ones on here. And they have different colored sheets. And then they got the polka dots. Some of these are double-sided, I think. Most of them, or some of them. So that whole thing was $5. So that was a good deal. Next thing I got was this whole box of ribbon. So we're going to put it out real quick for you so you can see. It's hard to see in the box. This is multicolor one. And we got this one. It's 3. We got this one. And then we got butterflies. And these look vintage to me. So I'll probably send some of these out in Happy Mail. Or challenges or something. There's that. We got this. This. And that looks like wire. And we got this. That's Hallmark, it says. It's like, wow. So, and then here, we got some of this. Some of this. These are so pretty. So that whole box was $2. It has like 18 I counted, so about 22, 23 spools of yarn. Or not yarn, excuse me, ribbon. So yeah, that was a really good deal. I really like this one though. It's one of my favorites. So pretty. Don't want this video to be too terribly long and bore you all. So I was kind of going quickly here. So this whole bag was $5. So we first got this. I love that one. Then this, like that one too. Got this one. That's cute. And these are by Stamping Up. That one. I love this one. And then here's that. And I love this one too. Super cute. So that bag was only $5. Then we got some embossing plates, and those were $5. So here's this one. And this one. These look like Christmas ones. And this one. And this cute leaf one. So those, I got those. This stamp fell out of the bag, but I got this one as well. That's pretty cool. Next, I got these different types of scissors that make designs. This was only $2. I like these scissors. I couldn't believe they were $2. So there's those. Next, I got these punches, and they were $4. So there's some stars, leaf, another leaf, flower, and a leaf. And that is the brand name, if you can see it there. So there are those. Thought those were a good deal. For $4 for this whole bag. Really nice. Really nice. Next, I got this vintage Caron Simply Soft yarn. That's pretty old. So, yeah. Very vintagey. So I got 2 of those. They had quite a bit of vintage yarn in there. I just, they were a little higher than I was expecting. I think I only paid $2 for that. And then, here's some more vintage yarn by Vanna's Choice, Lion Brand. And it was $3. And the color is Rose Mist. So I only paid $3 for that. And then we got some dies. Now, some of the dies I paid $10 for a full bag, and the other one I paid $15 for a full bag. I took some of the stuff out. So here's this one, and these are Spellbinders. And then there's that, and that's what it looks like. And that's what this looks like here. Oops. And then that there. I believe all the dies I got were Spellbinders. Okay, so here's this one. And that's what it looks like on the back. I got this one here. So they cut some out. These are just poinsettias. But I like to make some of those and see how they look in different colors. And I got this one. This die here. And it looks like this. Perfect for that time of year. This, I was trying to figure out what it was. These are like layered poinsettia, 16 die cuts. So that's what this is. And this is like the tree, layering the outside piece, layering. And let's see here. The star. This is what it looks like on the back. So cute. Then I got this one. This says, has all kinds of things. Has the flower, hello. You can use their flowers, and this is what it looks like to make a card. But I would just use the different flowers for different things, for maybe embellishments. I'm not a good card maker. It's got 9 cutting dies. Build a card. Hello, it says. I got this one here, and this one is a bird. It is a Tropical Friends 19 cutting dies, and this is what it looks like on the back. For all the dies that I got, I think I paid a total maybe of $25. Here's this one. It says Sitting Pretty, 15 die cuts. And they're birds. Aren't those cute? This is a scarecrow, which I'm thinking about just using the pumpkins because there's a challenge, so I want to enter it. And I may just use the pumpkins. And it says pumpkin hello. But this is the scarecrow. And you get crows. You get the bats. So I might just use the bats and the pumpkins and the crows. I don't know. Maybe the sign, pumpkin patch or something. So there's that. This says, have a colorful day. And there's 36 dies, expression sentiments. So all kinds of stuff. The shadow and the layering piece. And then this is Day at the Beach, and the sandals. Someone's sitting on the beach with a towel. It's good for those summertime, spring and summertime. Yeah. So can't wait to try that one out. Next is this Stitch Heart card front. There's that. Great for Valentine's Day, but again, you can use hearts all year long. And this is Dancing Octopus Friends. So I would like to try this one as well. So there's that. There's that. Then there's this lady, I think it's a lady, Breezy Swing 13 cutting dies. And that's what she looks like. The lady, the hair, the swing. Oh, this is the hair. Maybe, I don't know. That's weird. The hat. So there's that. The whole thing. Punch and pierce borders. So you can decorate whatever you want. Okay, so those are all the dies that I got. Oh, I did forget this one. I did get a Merry Christmas Fa La 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 La. So I got this. So I'm so glad the dies are right here. So I got that too. Then I got these rubber stamps for $2. This is a crafter's dream going in there. And there was hardly anybody in there. I couldn't believe it. I was like, do these people in this town don't craft or what? So here's this one. When your hands reach out in friendship, hearts are warm with joy, warm wishes. And celebrate, congratulations. There's a giraffe here. Then we got this one here. I'm not sure what it is, but I can't wait to try it out. Looks like a snowflake right here. There's this one. Seasons. Greetings. So that's a Christmas one. Candy canes. Snowman. Christmas tree. Here's another. Elf. December 25th. Here's that. Life Unscripted. You Touched My Heart. Another gift one. There's that. December 25th. And then, I don't know what, this one has Star Sparkle Friend. You're special, or you're a sparkle friend. It has stars and stuff on it. And happy birthday. So I may keep most of it. I may send it or happy mail. So I'm not sure yet. Okay, I had to put my phone this way so you can see it. The star of the show is this. I got 2 of them. I'm not going to lie, for $5. 2 for $5. She was selling them for $2.50 each. So I have another one on my shelf. $2.50. I couldn't believe it. This is the star right here. All my die machines are in storage. Actually, 2 of them are kind of broke, so I may be getting rid of those. And all I have is a tiny one left and my Cricut Joy. So I couldn't believe this one. Isn't this awesome? I have 2 of them, the same brand, same color, everything. So if one breaks, I can use the other one. So cute. So I can't wait to try this out and show you guys. Also, I hope you like my video. I hope you leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you think of my awesome haul that I got. I couldn't believe all these good deals. And they had tons of books and you name it, they had it. My funds were, I was on a budget to spend. So, all this stuff for under $70. It was a really good deal. Thank you all for watching. Happy crafting.